Here's my take on basically the saturated product market, let's just say. You know, you have 20, 30, 100 guys, right, advertising the same product. Now, you have one customer and he sees let's just use, for instance, what's an oversaturated product? I don't know, fidget spinners, phone cases. So you have John, right? He's on Instagram, he sees a phone case, black phone case, whatever. Sees it, he likes it. He does nothing about it. All right, another advertiser advertising the same product. John sees the product, sees it, swipes up, goes on the store, looks at it. Okay. Now you advertise your product. He's ready to buy. He has the money, he got his paycheck. He's ready to get that product. Now, he's buying that product not because he just saw your ad and decided he wanted it. He wanted it before he saw your ad. You were just there to sell it to him. Not saying that you can't be the first or second guy where John just looks at the product and kind of dismisses it, but there's always a piece of the pie that you can take no matter how saturated the market is. I met a student recently. He literally is making over $1,000 a week with sunglasses. Sunglasses, yeah, no, isn't that super saturated? Yeah, it is. It is saturated, but it doesn't mean that you can't take your piece of the pie in an already saturated market. If something's saturated, that means that the market is super big for that product or that niche, that item. So why not take your piece of the pie? That's my take on the oversaturation part of it. You know, that's why I share what the products that I sell, the niches with my students. I tell them exactly, you know, what I'm selling. You know, I can tell you right now I'm in a lifestyle niche. I could say I'm in a fashion niche. I also, there's so many niches that I've actually been in. But a lot of people hold that back. You know, you don't want to capitalize on trends. You just don't. You want to capitalize on passion. You have to go into exactly what people are passionate about, what they're gonna impulse buy. Trends do not last long. Passions is where you can really get a sustainable business. And that's what a lot of people are holding back. Well, if you have any comments below, like always, subscribe to the channel as well. If you like the content, I'm going to be trying to upload a shit ton of new content, a shit ton of new ideas. So comment anything you want me to cover. You know, give a thumbs up, subscribe, do your thing, and I'll see you in the next video.